Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your you have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter Add and Subtract Fractions. The lessons we're going to cover today are add three or more fractions with unlike denominator, add three or more fractions word problems, estimate sums and differences of mixed numbers, add mixed numbers with unlike denominators. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on grade 5 math. Chapter we are on right now is add and subtract fractions. Let's just start with the lesson that is add three or more fractions with unlike denominators. Add 1 by n plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So we always add fractions when they have the like denominators, right? So you need to make the smaller denominators to greater one. So here the smaller denominator 3 and 3. So we need to multiply these both fractions by 3 because 3 times 3 is 9. So when you multiply them by 3, that is 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. The second one is also 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. So we have now 1 by 9 plus 3 by 9 plus 3 by 9. So let's just add their numerators. 3 plus 3 is 6 and 1, 7. So that is 7 over 9. That is 7 over 9. Let's just start with the test questions. Add 1 by 6 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So we need to make the smaller denominators equal to 6, right? So 3 times 2 is 6. That means we need to multiply these two fractions by 2. So 2 times 2 and 3 times 2, that is 4 over 6. Same with this fraction. 2 times 2 and 3 times 2, that is 4 over 6. So now we have the fractions 1 by 6 plus 4 by 6 plus 4 by 6. So now you need to add their numerators. 4 plus 9 over 6. Numerators and denominator, so we can divide 6 times 1 is 6. And 9 minus 6 is 3. So we get it as 1 whole, that would be the whole number, 1 whole 3 over 6. So here 3 by 6, we can divide both of them by 3. So that is 1 whole 1 over 2. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 1 whole 1 over 2. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 1 whole 1 by 2. 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So the first thing is we need to make the denominator same. So we always multiply, always make the smaller denominator equal to greater one. So we need to make that 3 equal to 9. So 3 times 3 is 9. So we have to multiply these fractions by 3. That is 3 by 9. So 1 by 3 times 3, that is 3 over 9. So let's just add there 1 by 9 plus 3 by 9 plus 3 by 9. So that is 3 plus 3 is 6 and 1. That is 7 over 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is option number 1 is the correct option. That is 7 over 9. Add 2 by 9 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 9. 3 times 3 is 9. So make the smaller denominator equal to greater one. Multiply that 2 by 3 to 3 because 3 times 3 is 9. Let's just multiply it by 3. That is 3 times 2 is 6 over 9. 2 by 9 plus 6 by 9 plus 2 by 9. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10 over 9. So numerator is greater than denominator. We can divide. 9 times 1 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. That is 1 whole 1 over 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. That would be 1 whole 1 over 9. 9 by 10 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So we need to multiply it by the 5. So that is 1 times divided by 2 times 5. Same thing you have to do with the other fraction. because 2 times 5 is 10. So that's 5 by 10 plus 5 by 10. So that is 10 plus 9 is 19 over 10. So let's just divide 19 by 10. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 minus 19 is 9. So that is 1 whole 9 over 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. That would be 1 whole 9 over 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. The next lesson is estimate sums and differences of mixed numbers. 10 whole 9 by 4 minus 4 whole 9 by 10. So we need to estimate them first, right? 10 whole 9 over 10. 9 over 10 is greater than half, so it would be rounded off to 11. Same way, again, the fraction is 9 by 10. The fraction is greater than half, so it would be rounded to 5. So 11 minus 5 is 6. Let's just start with the test questions. Estimate the sum 5 whole 5 by 7 plus 3 whole 2 by 7. So 5 whole 5 over 7. The 5 over 7 is more than half, right? So it would be rounded to 6. Same way, 3 whole 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is less than half, so you need to round on the same whole number, that would be 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. The correct option is 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. 9 it is. Ten whole 9 by 10 minus 4 whole 9 by 10. So 10 whole 9 by 10. 9 by 10 means more than half it is, right? So it would be rounded to 11. Minus again 9 by 10, that's it's more than 11. More than half, so it would be rounded to 5. So 11 minus 5 is 6. The correct option is that is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 12 whole 1 by 4 minus 5 whole 3 by 4. So 12 whole 1 over 4. 1 over 4 is less than half. So you need to round on the same number. Now 5 whole 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is more than half. So you need to round it on the 6. So 12 minus 6 is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 6. One whole 1 by 4 plus 2 whole 1 by 4. One whole 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is less than half round on the same whole number. Same way for the second one. So that is 1 by 2 equals 3. The correct option is 3. Option number. That is 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Three whole 9 by 10 plus one whole 7 over 10. So 9 by 10 means more than half. So it would be rounded to 4. Same way, but 7 over 10 is also more than half. So it would be rounded to 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Very good. Option number 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. 6 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Add mixed numbers with unlike denominators. Okay, let's just start with the questions. 8 whole 7 over 12 plus 9 whole 1 by 3. So you cannot add them until they have the like denominators. First make their denominators same. Multiply this fraction, only the fractional part, by 12 because 3 times 4 is 12. So just multiply the fractional part by 4. That is 8 whole 7 over 12 plus 9 4 over 12. So 8 plus 9 is 17. 7 plus 4. Add whole number to whole number, numerator to numerator. 7 plus 4 is 11. That is 17. 12 option number 1 is the correct option. 17 whole 11 over 12 it is. Four whole 11 over 12 plus 1 whole 1 over 2. That is 4 whole 1 over 12 plus 1 whole 1 over 6 divided by 2 times 6. 1 whole 6 over 12. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 whole 7 over 12. That is 5 whole 7 over 12. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 5 whole 7 over 12. Okay, the next one is 9 whole 3 by 10 plus 8 whole 1 over 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So we need to multiply this fraction by 5. 9 whole 3 over 10 plus 8 whole 1 times 5 is 5 times 5 is 5. 9 whole 3 over 10 plus 8 whole 5 over 10. So 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 whole 8 over 10. Let's just divide both of them by 2. So that is 17 whole 4 over 5. So option number 2 is the correct option, that is 17 whole 4 over 5. 8 whole 1 by 6 plus 7 whole 1 by 2. So the first thing is we need to make their denominator same. So 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 3 divided by 2 times 3. That is 8 whole 1 by 6 plus 7 3 over 6. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 whole 4 by 6. That is 15 whole 2 over 3. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 15 whole 2 by 3. Four whole 1 by 4 plus 1 whole 1 by 8. So we need to multiply this fraction by 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 1 whole 1 over 8. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 whole 3 by 8. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 5 whole 3 by 8. Seven whole 3 by 8 plus 4 whole 1 over 2. 2 times 4 is 8, so we need to multiply this fraction by 4. 7 whole 3 over 8 plus 4. 1 times 4 is 4 and 2 times 4 is 8. That is 11 whole 7 over 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 11 whole 7 over 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. 2 whole 1 by 9 plus 1 whole 1 by 3. 2 whole 1 over 9 plus 1 whole 3 over 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 whole 4 over 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 3 whole 4 by 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 3 whole 4 over 9. Six whole 1 by 4 plus 10 whole 7 over 12. Four times 3 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 10 whole 7 over 12. That is 16 whole 10 over 12. 11 whole 5 over 6. That is 16 whole 5 by 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Five whole 1 by 4 plus 7 whole 1 by 2. 5 whole 1 by 4 plus 7 whole 2 over 4. 5 plus 7 is 12 whole 3 over 4. Option number 2 is the correct option, 12 whole 3 by 4. Five whole 4 by 5 plus 7 whole 1 by 10. So which is the correct option? That is option number 2, 12 whole 9 by 10 it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 5 math. The chapter we were working on is add and subtract fractions. The lessons we have covered today are add three or more fractions with unlike denominators, add three or more fractions, word problems, estimate sums and differences of mixed numbers, add mixed numbers with unlike denominators. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please write the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? No questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.